My video guide is about getting rid of the online scam that is related to the website called yourdatasecurityservice.com. This is the website that tries to trick you into clicking on this proceed button integrated into it. The website displays some scary messages that try to make people think that their computer is horribly infected with some malware, and it says that your PC is infected with 5 viruses. However, it is strongly advised that you do not interact with all these pop-ups because they have in mind to make you download and install some potentially unwanted software. Be very careful and especially do not click on the allow button because this website also tries to make you subscribe to its multiple push notifications. If you see these pop-ups on your computer screen, they could be explained by the presence of some adware in your computer. So what you should do is to check the control panel, then uninstall any programs that are suspicious, and if you don't find any suspicious programs but still your browser displays such scary ads, we recommend you to research your device with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com, so use this green download button, install the program, and start carefully researching your system in order to detect and eliminate other threats from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.